Good morning, my wonderful students. How are you today, girls? How are you? Are you fine? Okay, girls. Today we will start taking a new unit. But before starting my own unit for today, girls, I want to tell you something very important, girls. Listen to me carefully, please, girls. Please, my lovely students, you should send your homework at least before 3 o'clock. Listen to me, please, girls. You should send your homework at least before 3 o'clock. If you want me to say your name in my virtual class and tell you how many points did you collect, please, girls, don't forget to send your homework at least before 3 o'clock, okay? If you want me to say your name in my virtual class and tell you how many points did you collect. Of course, my lovely students, you can send your homework after my class. But I will not say your name in my virtual class the next day. Okay, girls? As I told you at the beginning of my lesson, that today we will start taking a new lesson. Before starting this new lesson, girls, I want to ask you about the day and the date. Today is what, girls? Today is Sunday. How to write the word Sunday, girls? Sunday. So, today is what, girls? Today is Sunday. What about the date? The date is 9/7/1442 after Hijrah. So, the date is 9/7/1442 after Hijrah. Please, girls, I want you now to open your notebook. Write the day with the date, please, my lovely students. Write Sunday 9/7/1442 after Hijrah. Then I want you to copy these sentences in your notebook. Copy, please. I like playing football, but I don't like playing basketball. Here I have two sentences, girls. I like playing football, but I don't like playing basketball. Please, girls, you should copy these two sentences till the end of the page. You should copy these two sentences, girls, till the end of the page, and you should write all the letters here between the lines, okay? Let's take a quick revision first, girls. And we have 5 different questions, girls. I will start with number 1. Number 1, give me 5 uncountable nouns. What do I mean by the uncountable nouns, girls? I mean the nouns that cannot be counted. Like what, girls? Like sugar, rice, tea, coffee, happiness, information, right? Let me throw one balloon now. Number 2, what's your favorite food? My favorite food is macaroni, for example. My favorite food is donuts. Let me throw one balloon. Number 3, make 2 sentences using I like. For example, I like pizza and macaroni. I like apples and bananas. Number 4, give me 5 singular words. Give me 5 singular words like what? Door, window, pen, pencil, and toy. Number 5, do you like macaroni? Yes, I do. Let me now throw the last balloon in my revision. As I told you, my lovely students, at the beginning of my class, or at the beginning of my lesson, that today we will take a new unit, which is Unit 3, Lesson 1. Today we will take 2 pages in the first lesson in Unit 3, page 18 and 19, girls. But first of all, girls, what do you think the title of our unit will be about? So, first of all, girls, I want you to look at these pictures or at these creatures, girls, and tell me, what can you see? I can see a lion, a cat, a dog, and a rabbit. So, I can see a lion, a dog, a rabbit, and a cat. We call all these creatures, girls, what? We call them animals. So, the title of our unit will be about what, girls? Will be about animals. How to write the word animals, girls? A-N-I-M-A-L-S. So, how to write the word animals, girls? A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Animals. Now, girls, let me start explaining questions with do and does, then we will give you more examples using animals, right? So, we use do and does to make questions in the simple present tense. So, girls, do and does in the present and did in the past. We can use do and does to make questions in the present simple tense. Okay? When can I use do and when can I use does to form correct questions or to form correct yes-no questions? Okay? So, we have first do. When can I use do? I can use do with I, we, they, and you. I, we, they, and you. Now, girls, for example, let me give you questions using do. Do I have a cat? Do we study English? Do they play basketball? Do you speak French? Your answer will be yes, I do, or no, I don't, or yes, we do, no, we don't. Yes, they do, no, they don't. Yes, I do, and no, I don't. What about does, girls? When can I use does? I can use does with she, he, and it. For example, girls, does she read a book? Yes, she does, or no, she doesn't. Does he watch TV? Yes, he does, or no, he doesn't. What about it? Does it rain? Yes, it does, or no, it doesn't. Right, girls? Let me give you more examples, girls. Make questions using do or does. Make questions using do or does. Let me start with the first sentence, girls. The first sentence is, she speaks English very well. How can I make questions using do and does? Or how can I make yes-no questions? First of all, girls, this sentence is in the present. She speaks English very well. Let me start using first do or does. Look at the first sentence, girls. We have she. So this means that I should use does. Does what? Does she? Does she? Then I have the main verb. The main verb here is speaks. I should drop or delete the S for the present. Does she speak? Sorry, girls. Sorry. Does she speak English very well? Does she speak English very well? Then question mark. So, does she speak English very well? Does she speak English very well? Number 2, they write their homework. First of all, girls, what should I use? Do or does? I have they. What should I use? I should use do. So do they write their homework? Their homework? Then question mark. Do they write their homework? Your answer will be yes, they do, or no, they don't. Yes, she does, or no, she doesn't. What about number 3? He plays football. What should I use? Do or does? Look at the third sentence. I have he. This means that I should use does. So I should say, does he play? I should delete the S for the present here, girls. Does he play football? So does he play football? Then question mark. Yes, he does, or no, he doesn't. So girls, listen to me carefully, please. Number 3, he plays football. How to make a question using does. Does he play football? Yes, he does, or no, he doesn't. Then, she reads a story about dolphins. Does, I should start with does, she read without S a story about dolphins? Question mark. Yes, she does, or no, she doesn't. You buy a red car. Do, sorry. Do you buy a red car? Do you buy a red car? Your answer will be yes, I do, or no, I don't. So, girls, does she read a story about dolphins? The answer will be yes or no. Yes, she does, or no, she doesn't. You buy a red car. Do you buy a red car? Yes, I do, or no, I don't. Read the following conversations, girls. Number 1, do you have a pet? Yes, I do. I have a cat. So, girls, do you have a pet? Yes, I do. I have a cat. Does she read a book? Does she read a book, girls, here? Yes, she does. Yes, she does. Does they play basketball? Does they play basketball? No, they don't. Sorry, girls. No, they don't. No, they don't. Again, girls. And here we have do. Do they play basketball? Do they play basketball? No, they don't. No, they don't. Now, girls, use do or does in the following questions, girls. Number 1, she ride a bike. Here I should say, does she ride a bike? Why, girls? Because I have the personal pronoun she. So, does she ride a bike? They watch TV. Here your answer will be, does she ride a bike? Yes, she does. Yes, she does. What about here? What should I use? I should use do. Why? Because I have they. Do they watch TV? Do they watch TV? Your answer will be no, they don't. Why? Because here they play what? They play volleyball. So no, they don't. No, they don't. What about here, girls? Do or does? You have a turtle? Do you have a turtle? No, I don't. No, I don't. Okay, girls? Okay, girls, look at this picture and tell me what can you see here? I can see so many animals here, like a monkey, a zebra, a giraffe, and 5 peas. Now, girls, where can you find so many animals, girls? Where can you find so many animals? I can find so many animals, girls, in the zoo, right? So, where can you find so many animals? I can find so many animals in the zoo. Listen to me carefully, please, girls. I will turn on the sounds of the animals, and I want you to tell me what is this animal. Okay, girls? Listen, please, girls, listen and tell me what is this sound. Let me start with the first one or the first animal. Tell me, girls, what animal is this? Let me start with the first one, girls. Can you tell me what is this animal? Or what animal is this? Can you? Yeah. This is what? This is a horse. So this is what? This is a horse. How to write the word horse? Horse. So this is what? This is a horse. How to write the word horse? Horse. Make a sentence using the word horse. I like riding horses. I like riding horses. What about the second animal, girls? Listen to this sound and tell me what animal is this? Sorry. Listen, girls, and tell me what animal is this? This sound is for a rabbit. So, rabbit, how to write the word rabbit, girls? Rabbit. So, the first word in my lesson today, girls, is horse. The second one is rabbit. How to write rabbit? Rabbit. Rabbit. What about the third animal, girls? Listen, please. It is a zebra sound. It is what? It is a zebra sound. How to write the word zebra, girls? Z-E-B-R-A. Z-E-B-R-A. How to write the word zebra? Z-E-B-R-A. Can you describe the zebra, girls? So, the zebra is black and white. It has what? Stripes. So, the zebra is black and white. It has stripes. Now, girls, listen to the last animal and tell me what is this animal? Very easy, of course. This is what? This is a lion. So this is what, girls? This is a lion. This is a lion. So how to write the word lion, girls? Lion. 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 So, girls, today we took 4 words: zebra, horse, lion, and rabbit. Reading competition, girls. Please, my lovely students, you should read this short story. Send a video for me while reading this short story, of course, if you want me to add 100 points for you. Let me start reading, girls. A fun day. Yesterday, we went to an adventure park. Our father drove us there. My sister and I saw some friends from school and played with them. Then we went on rides with our parents. It was great fun. After the rides, Dad got me a burger. My sister didn't want one, so he got her chocolate ice cream. We were really good. So Dad promised to take us again next week. I can't wait. Again, girls. A fun day. Yesterday, we went to an adventure park. Our father drove us there. My sister and I saw some friends from school and played with them. Then we went on rides with our parents. It was great fun. After the rides, Dad got me a burger. My sister didn't want one, so he got her chocolate ice cream. We were really good. So Dad promised to take us again next week. I can't wait. A fun day. Yesterday, we went to an adventure park. Our father drove us there. My sister and I saw some friends from school and played with them. Then we went on rides with our parents. It was great fun. After the rides, Dad got me a burger. My sister didn't want one, so he got her chocolate ice cream. We were really good. So Dad promised to take us again next week. I can't wait. Please, girls, you should read this short story. Send a video or a voice note if you want me to add 100 points for you. Open your book, please, my lovely students. Page number, I think 18 and 19. Let me make sure. So 18 and 19, girls, write the day with the date, please, girls. Write the day with the date. Write Sunday, 9/7, 1442, after Hijrah. Then I want you to listen, girls. I want you to listen, my lovely students.
Unit 3, Animals, Talk Time, Exercise 1. Listen and say. Do you have a pet? Yes, I do. I have a turtle. Do you have a pet? No, I don't.
Do you have a pet? Yes, I do. I have a turtle. Do you have a pet? No, I don't.
So, do you have a pet? Yes, I have a fish. Do you have a pet? No, I don't. Fun time, girls. Listen, please.
Fun time. Exercise 4. Number race. Count fast from 11 to 20, like this. Are you ready? Let's start. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 11 horses.
12 rabbits.
12 rabbits.
13
13 zebras.
14 lions.
14 lions, 15 bears, 16 cats, 17 birds, 18 chickens, 19 turtles,
20.
20 eggs.
Okay, good. We're finished.
So, girls, your first homework in the activity book is page number 79 and 80. 79 and 80, girls. Do you have a pet? Yes, I do. I have a turtle. Do you have a pet? No, I don't. So, girls, here, of course, you should trace the gray words, then trace and write letter W, then trace these numbers, girls, from 11 till 20, then trace and write letter X. After that, girls, your second homework is make and write questions using do and does. Then write the answers of your questions. You can send a video, girls, for me. So, make and write questions using do and does. Then write the answers of your questions. Okay, girls? This is the end of my lesson today, girls. Thank you for listening and watching, and see you in my virtual class. Goodbye, girls. Goodbye.